Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you about Taylor series method. Question is find y value at x is equals to 0.2 for the differential equation y dash minus 2y is equals to 3 e power x and y of 0 is equals to 0. Solution. So given y dash. So at LHS side we just need only y dash. So move this minus 2y to this RHS side. So y dash is equals to 3 e power x plus 2y or y dash is equals to 2y plus 3 e power x, 2y plus 3 e power x, and y of 0 is equals to 0. Here they had given that initial condition y value at 0 is 0. We need to find y value at 0.2, y value at 0.2, y of 0.2 we need to find. So compare this with this. This is the general form of the equation. Y dash is equals to dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y, and y of x0 is equals to y0. So by comparing these two equations, in place of f of x comma y, we are having 2y plus 3 e power x or 3 into e power x plus 2y. In place of x0 we are having 0, x0 is equals to 0. In place of y0 we are having 0. So we need to find y value at x is equals to 0.2, y of 0.2 we need to find. Then after draw the table x, y. At x column x0 is equal to 0, x0 is equals to 0, x1 is equals to 0. X1 is the finding value, y value at x is equals to 0.2, that is x1, and we need to find y1. Here they didn't mention any step size, so x1 will become the finding value. If they mentioned any step size, x1 will be h plus x0, h plus x0, and x2 will become h plus x1, like that. Here they didn't mention any step size, so here directly we have to put x1 is equals to 0.2, and we need to find this y1. So h means step size, x1 minus x0 is the formula. So 0.2 minus 0 is 0.2. So we need this step size because in y1 formula we get this h value. So we need this. So we find by using x1 minus x0. So find y1. So this is the y1 formula. y0 plus h by 1 factorial, y0 dash plus h square by 2 factorial, y0 double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial, y0 double triple dash plus so on. Here we know y0 value and h value. y0 is 0, h is 0.2. But we don't know y0 dash, y0 double dash, y0 triple dash. And 1 factorial means we know 2 factorial, 1 into 2, 3 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3. We know this, but we don't know y0 dash, y0 double dash, y0 triple dash. To find this y0 dash, so take y dash. In question they had given y dash, 2y plus 3 e power x. So write here 2y plus 3 into e power x. In place of y, so substitute y0. So just replace y with y0, x with x0. So y replaced with y0. So y1 will become y0 dash. 2y will become 2y0. 3 into e power x will become e into power x0. So in place of y0 substitute 0. Why? Because y0 value is 0, x0 also 0. So substitute x0 and y0 here. So 2 into y0 means 2 into 0 plus 3 into e power x0. 3 into e power 0. In place of x0 also 0. So 2 zeros is 0 plus 3 into e power 0 means 1. 3 into 1, 3. y0 dash value is 3. And here we need to find y0 double dash. So to find y0 double dash, first of all we need only y double dash. Here y dash we have. So that's why we kept here in place of y0. Here, but actually we don't know y double dash also, we don't know. So to find those y double dash, we need to differentiate y dash with respect to x. Y dash means this. So what we have in question this is. So this is what we have in question. Y dash is equals to 2y plus 3 power x. So this equation should be differentiated with respect to x. So differentiate y dash with respect to x. Y dash value is 2y plus 3 e power x. D by dx of y dash is equals to d by dx of 2y plus d by dx of 3 into e power x. We have to differentiate this. So before that you just learn these three. So dy by dx is equal to y dash. D by dx of these y dash is equals to y double dash. D by dx of y double dash is equals to y triple dash. And here d by dx of y dash. D by dx of y dash is y double dash. So y double dash is equals to d by dx of 2y. So 2 is constant term. So bring this to front. D by dx of y. That means dy by dx. Dy by dx means y dash. So 2 into y dash plus d by dx of 3 into e power x. 3 is constant term. Bring this 3 to front and d by dx of e power x. So d by dx of e power x will be e power x only. 3 in front we are having 3 into e power x. 3 into e power x. Y double dash is equals to 2y dash plus 3 e power x. So this is the y double dash value. So here y replaced with y naught, x replaced with x naught. So in place of y we replaced y naught plus 2 into y naught dash plus 3 into e power x naught. So we know y naught dash value. Y naught dash value is 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into e power x naught. E power x naught value e power 0. So 6 plus 3 y naught double dash is 9. So this is y naught double dash. So y naught triple dash we need to find. For that we just need y triple dash. So y triple dash also we don't know. To get y triple dash we have to differentiate y double dash. So to get y double dash we differentiated y1. Sorry, y dash. To get y double dash we differentiated with respect to x for this equation y dash. To get y triple dash we have to differentiate with respect to x of this y double dash. So if you differentiate this y double dash you will get y triple dash. So differentiate y double dash with respect to x. Y double dash is equals to y double dash value is 2y dash plus 3 into e power x. Y double dash is equals to 2 into y dash plus 3 into e power x. So differentiate this y double dash with respect to x, then you will get y triple dash. So d by dx of y double dash is equals to 2 into constant term 2 into d by dx of y dash plus 3 also constant term 3 into d by dx of e power x. So d by dx of y double dash. D by dx of y double dash is y triple dash. So y triple dash is equals to 2 constant terms. D by dx of y dash. D by dx of y dash is y double dash. So d by dx of y dash is y double dash plus 3 constant terms same. D by dx of e power x, e power x. This is the y triple dash. So here find here replace y with y naught, x with x naught. So after replacing substitute here y naught double dash means 9 e into a power x naught. 3 into e power x naught. 3 constant e power x naught means e into 0 e power 0. So here you will get y naught triple dash. So substitute in y1 equation you will get y1 value.